media will guide you how to bold text in Excel. Making text bold in Microsoft Excel is very straightforward. You can do it using a quick keyboard shortcut or ribbon menu option or a mouse click. So fastest way is that to click on the cell or highlight the group of the cells you want to make bold and then press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Pressing the shortcut a second time will bold the text, and if you want to unbold that, again press the Ctrl plus B to unbold that. If you want to bold the specific text in the sentence, you need to select that text and press Ctrl B to bold it. So if you prefer using mouse, the option is right at the top of your screen. Select the cell or the text, for example this one, and look at the home tab in the top menu and click the B icon located in the found section. Here it is. You need to select it, and when you select it, it will be bold, and when you again click on that, it will be unbold. Another way is the right click. For this you need to select the text, and you will see that a small floating mini toolbar will appear right next to your cursor. Then click the B icon and it will be bold instantly, and when you again click it, it will be unbold. So with these way you can easily how to bold text in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.